On Reddit today, and we have a guy who is being scammed by an agency or a freelancer. So if you're working with agency, if you have somebody else managing your Facebook ads, you're gonna find this extremely valuable. By the way, if you want me to audit your Facebook ads account, click the link in the description below. And for $1, I'm gonna go over your campaigns and I'm gonna share what's broken and how to fix it so you can get better cost per conversion and you can make much more conversions. The link is in the description below. For $1, I'm just gonna audit your Facebook ads. I'm gonna share what's broken. I'm gonna share how to fix it. If you're not 100% satisfied, I'm gonna buy you a coffee. I believe this is a very good guarantee. So let's see what to do if you're being scammed by a freelancer or an agency. This guy says, "Am I getting scammed? I have started a new business recently and have outsourced the meta ads to a freelancer. We will complete a month of running ads on the 17th of September. Till date, the ROAS is under 1, struggling to get even a single order per day. When I try to talk to that guy, the standard responses are, I'm not providing him enough creatives. Since our Instagram does not have a good reach, the ads are bound to struggle for the first few months. It is just hit and try to see which ad creative is picked by Facebook. Now I have been providing creatives, video and static, and whenever a certain ad with that creative does not perform, the freelancer pauses the campaign and creates a new one and expects a new creative every time, which I don't mind providing, but content creation takes time and effort. I have two questions. Does Instagram reach really affect the ad performance? The answer is no. The Instagram reach doesn't affect the ad performance at all. Is this really a hit and trial method? And does it take a month to find a winning ad? I don't think it takes a month to find a winning ad, but I don't think also the problem is within the ad. I'm a beginner with no experience or expertise in meta ads. Please help if I should consider hiring another agency or continue with this one. I think those excuses are like very bad. I think if somebody says that you're not getting results on ads because of your Instagram, I think that's a big red flag. So should you fire the freelancer? Should you fire the agency if you hear these excuses? Probably yes. But do you think that if you hire another agency, you'll be able to get much better results? I don't think so. So here you mentioned that you started a new business recently, right? If you start a new business recently, and if this business is not getting sales, probably you shouldn't go to Facebook ads immediately, right? Because like in many cases, in like 80% of the cases, uh, the blame is not in the Facebook ads, right? The blame will be first in your offer. So ask yourself, is your offer desirable? Is your offer something people want to buy? If your offer is not good enough, no matter who you hire, your ads will suffer. So I suggest before going to an agency, you need to understand if this offer is good enough. I suggest you understand why your ads are not working. You should take a look at metrics such as the conversion rate on your page, right? The conversion rate on your page. You should look at metrics such as cost per result, cost per purchase, cost per link click. Those are the basic stuff you need to understand before hiring a freelancer. Because if you don't know how to make it work, probably somebody who comes to your business, they won't have any idea of how to make it work. To get a person who will completely fix both your traffic and conversion rate is going to be very difficult, because chances are if this person is so good, they'll probably have a business running. They'll probably create an e-commerce store or a drop shipping store, or they'll start, let's say, education business such as online courses, and they'll do the ads themselves. So I don't think you're getting scammed. I think you have a fundamental issue of your business, and this is your offer might not be desirable. The way you're positioning your offer is not desirable, and this is the problem that you have with ads as well, because one translates into the other. The other, for example, I'm gonna give you this example. Everybody is selling this. It's gonna be over exaggerated, of course. Everybody is selling an ebook for like $10, but I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna send this ebook for like $10,000, and I'm gonna hire somebody to sell it, and I'm gonna be like, I need the best Facebook ads guy to help me sell this ebook for $10,000, right? So it's gonna be very difficult to make it work. So this is my feedback. This is my feedback as a business owner, as a entrepreneur. If you wanna run ads, I don't say you need to run your ads, but what I say is that you need to understand how basic digital marketing works. How much money are you investing in ads? How much money are you getting back? What is the cost per conversion you can afford? Right? What is the break even point for your business? Right? What offers work for you? If you have an e-commerce store of like 200 products, my my guess would be that only like 10 or 20% of this product will sell with Facebook ads. So just because you have a product, just because you have a business or a service or whatever you're selling, doesn't mean that it will sell with Facebook ads. And this is just the reality. This is just the reality that a lot of people don't want to face, but that's the case here. Right? Let's see what other Redditors are saying. You hire somebody to run your ads, yet you're providing the creative. That's the single most important element of an ad campaign. Um, the offer is the most single. The funnel is very important, so it's very hard to say. From what I understand, your Facebook ad guy is only running your ads, so I'm not sure why you're expecting things to change if you run the same creatives and the same offers, those provided by you. Their job. If you hire them to help you get more sales, not to manage your ad account. Easy to figure out, easy to figure everything out from offer to creative, from user retention to conversion. Now, if you're paying more than 500 per month for this, you're getting scammed. But if you just hire someone to manage your ads, just to manage, not to create, strategize, or anything, I guess you're getting what you pay for. So I don't agree with this guy. I don't know if somebody is very good with content creation, they should do your own creative. For example, if you hire an agency or anybody to do your creative work, the bill will be like 7 to 8 grand. So I don't think this is irrelevant. And this guy answers the question. No, Instagram reach is a byproduct, and in some cases helps with social proof of the brand or the seller. It would not majorly impact your ad strategy. It is an informed and well thought process of figuring out what the brand seller needs to be successful. A spray and pray approach indicates that your freelancer is not investing time in coming up with the right strategies, but is more focused on executing the campaigns on the platform. The problem is you hired a media bar, a glorified button pusher, not a marketer. You need a marketer, someone who can do creative strategy, copy, and little conversion rate optimization, funnel building, and can track KPIs and pivot quickly based on those KPIs. Fire this guy, hire someone legit if you have the budget. If you have the budget, I agree with this guy. I agree with this guy. You need a marketer. You need a marketer. But to hire a good marketer is not cheap, right? If you wanna get Frank Kern to think about your campaign, probably you need to pay 50 or 60 grand. If you wanna like work with like Russell Brunson, the cost will be like, I don't know, 150 grand just to have lunch with this guy. So this is the whole idea behind it. This is the whole idea behind it. This guy says, consider running ads yourself since you already do the creative. Just check what he's doing, create a sales campaign, just put location, age, and gender. Yeah, just do Advantage Plus campaign. Understand ads. This will be my advice. Either hire a marketer or understand how to do ads. If you want me to personally help you troubleshoot your ads, click the link in the description below. Get the $1 Facebook ads audit where I'm gonna work with you one-on-one personally. You're gonna share your screen and I'm gonna help you fix your Facebook ads for $1. You get an amazing deal. If you're not 100% satisfied with the results you get after we do the audit, I'm gonna buy you a coffee and I'm gonna send you your $1 back. This is Niko. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.